Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create this flat belt pulley drive in SolidWorks. So let us see how to do it. So go to the file, new, part, OK. So here we'll first draw the bigger pulley. So for that select the front plane, sketch on it, draw center rectangle, draw a circle, OK. In this way we will smart dimension the circle to be 250 mm, this to be 50 mm, this to be 20 mm. We'll give the dimension distance between these. So the distance will be 80 mm. OK. Now we'll select this circle. Before that, make this 2 point to be vertical. OK. Now select the circle, go to the circular sketch pattern and we'll create 5 such circle. OK. Now go to the feature extruded boss base. We'll extrude it by 50 mm. Say OK. Now here we'll select the right plane, sketch on it, make it normal too. We'll draw one center rectangle over here. So we'll give the distance between this and this to be a 10 mm. Then this total will be 20. OK. Now go to the revolve cut and here we'll simply go here and click this on axis. So you can see the axes are visible over here. So simply select the axis of revolution, this, and say OK. So the material will be removed about this. So simply hide this. Now this is our control save this as a in new folder. We'll save this, create a new folder, new folder, will say flat belt drive, simply open this and we'll name it as a pulley 1. OK. So simply close this, go to the file, new, part, OK. We'll draw over here the smaller pulley. So front plane, sketch on this, draw the circles. OK. Smart dimension them. We'll give the dimension for this to be a 25 mm. So double click 25 mm. We'll give dimension to this to be 125. OK. We'll give the dimension to this to be a 20 mm. And we'll define the distance between this will be a 40 mm. OK. Now what we'll do, we'll just select this circular sketch pattern, select this and circular sketch pattern, will pattern 5 number, say OK, go to the feature extruded boss base, we'll extrude again it by 50 mm, say OK. Now we will select over here the right plane, sketch on this, make it normal. Again we will draw one center rectangle. Simply select this and draw a center rectangle. Smart dimension this from here to here, 10 mm. This distance to be 20. OK. Go to feature, revolve cut. Again we will make visible the axis. So simply select the axis of revolution to be this one. So it will cut the material. OK. So simply I will hide this and I will save this as a control save pulley 2. Pulley 2. Yes. Now we will move on to the assembly of this. So new assembly. OK. Now over here we'll select, cancel this begin assembly, select front plane, sketch on it, draw the 2 circles over here. OK. And just define the dimension between these to be a 500. OK. So simply exit the sketch from here. Now we'll go to the insert component, browse. So we'll just insert this 2 pulley, open this first and then second. Now here this will be fixed, make it float, right click, make it float. Now we'll go to the mate, select this inside face and this circle, make concentric relation. OK. Now here we will select the front plane and the back face of this, say the coincident mate. OK. Right. Again select the inside face of this and this circle, so concentric mate. OK. Select this face and this face, coincident mate. OK. OK. So just make it normal too. Now we'll just hide this one. Okay. So we'll go to the new feature. So go to the assembly. Here in assembly feature you can find a belt chain. So we'll just select that belt chain. Select the bigger pulley first, because this is the driver and this one will be the driven. OK. Now go below and select create belt part and say OK. Save and continue. We'll save this as a belt drive. OK. Now we'll go to the belt part. So just open this part and go to the sketch, edit the sketch. Now we'll go to the feature, extruded boss base. So what we will do, we'll just extrude it through the mid plane, because this middle distance is 30 mm. So keep it 30 mm. So here you can see this distance is 30 mm, and keep the thin feature, means thickness of belt, to be a 10 mm over here. So say simply OK. So simply exit from here. Now here you can see a belt is created over the pulleys. Simply right click on this and make it hide. Now we'll give some appearances to this. Go to the appearances, plastic, eyeglass. We'll give appearances to this. So simply select over here this and drag over the body. OK. Again go select this color, drag over the body. Again go select here the black color and drag over the belt body. OK. Right. Now we'll go to the motion study. Select from here motion study property, keep the frame to be 16 frame per second, say OK. Now we'll apply the motor to this inside face, keep the RPM to be a 10 RPM, say OK. Now from here we will just increase the play time to 8 seconds and drop down this and click on calculate. So it will take some time to calculate. So this is what basically a open flat belt drive. So in this what happen, if you play this, both the pulley will rotate in the same direction. So this is what the design of a open belt flat drive. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.